Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford F350 front bumper easy guide. Start by parking on level ground, setting the brake, and disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts when you unhook lights. Lay out your socket set, trim tools, and a jack stand. Wear gloves and eye protection. Take photos of fastener locations for easier reassembly and label bolts as you remove them for a smooth and safe bumper removal process. Now, gently pry off trim and grill clips with plastic trim tools to protect paint. Unplug fog lights, sensors, and wiring harnesses and tuck connectors safely away. Place fasteners and clips into labeled containers so nothing gets lost. Photograph each step if helpful to see where pieces belong. Work methodically from top to bottom and have an assistant support the bumper when it becomes loose for a safe and smooth removal. Hey, if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long days under the truck or in the shop. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grabbing good socks can make wrenching more comfortable and keep you focused. Now let's get back to the video. Next, find the mounting bolts along the bumper edges and at the frame mounts and remove them with the right sockets. Support the bumper with a jack or an assistant before taking out the last bolts so it does not fall. Carefully lift the bumper straight away from the mounting points to avoid bending tabs or scratching paint. Set the bumper on a soft surface and double-check wiring and fasteners are clear before fully separating it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.